Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, how did you make that lion paper bag?
We will teach everything.
Yeah.
So we have to wait only 1 more minute. Okay? After that, we are creating something new.
Good evening, ma'am.
2 white papers? Ma'am, can I use 2 white papers?
We need 5 to 6 papers.
Ma'am, can I use black marker instead of black CD marker? Can I use black sketch pen? Ma'am, can I do black sketch pen instead of black CD marker?
Ma'am, please tell that can I use only 2 white papers? Can it will work?
Everyone, we will start the session. I will resolve the query as we are going on in the session.
Ma'am, good evening. My name is Aisha.
Aisha, I can answer your query, but you have to wait. Okay?
Ma'am, we use black sketch pen instead of black CD marker.
Yes, we can use. Please mute everyone so I can start the session. Okay? Please mute everyone.
Ma'am, can we use this marker? Good evening, ma'am.
I'm not.
My name is Sumaya.
First of all, I'm going to mute everyone so we can start the session.
Can I use 2 white papers?
1 minute. Saksha, 1 minute. Hello. Everyone, whoever is having a query, please write down in the chat box and the comment box. Okay? We will resolve the issue in the chat box and the comment box. Right now, I'm muting everyone and I'm going to start the session. Okay? Right now, I'm muting everyone. In the session, if someone has some query, I will resolve it. But for that, you have to raise your hand. Okay? Right now, I'm muting everyone. Okay. Now, I'm going to start the session. Good evening, everyone. Welcome all to online coding classes. Good evening. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Ma'am, can you please mute everyone by going on the...
I'm muting, but still the kids are coming in. That's why they are unmuting.
Yes, ma'am, you can go through the chat and click on 3 dot. There will be an option to...
I'm muting everyone, but still they are coming and that's why.
Guys, please, if you are joining the class, you may mute yourself by your own only.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Ma'am, you can make the podium classes the host so that way they can mute
Hello.
everyone.
Right now it's echo? Is it echoing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It's
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Going, ma'am.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, can I make only I will make one puppet from one paper?
You can make one puppet. We are making just one puppet. But before that, you have to mute yourself so I can start my session.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Ma'am, it is echoing because you have joined with 2 phones. That's why, with 2 devices.
We have to join in with 2 phones. Wait.
Ma'am, can you, from one phone you can mute yourself and it will not echo.
I'm mute. One phone is mute still.
No, ma'am, it will echo.
No, ma'am, you are like
But
if
your
you are
photo
saying
is
something,
very
it is repeating again and again.
Everybody is speaking, that is why.
Ma'am, your photo is very
Because
blurred.
ma'am is connected through 2 devices.
Ma'am, your voice is
Ma'am, keep the mics and then it will work.
Hello.
Ma'am, now also it is echoing.
It's echoing.
very blurred.
Stop echoing if you keep one
Yes,
device
ma'am.
away from the other device.
And the photo also is very blurred.
Hello.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, now also it is echoing.
Shweta, this is the podium team. Can you please mute, because you have the power to mute everybody.
I'm muting, but still the kids are coming in. That's why they are unmuting. As soon as they are entering, they are unmuted.
Ma'am, I don't have paper bag.
Excuse me, ma'am, you can go through the chat and there is an option of 3 dots.
Ma'am,
Shweta,
ma'am,
I have muted everyone now, and I
Thank
think
you so much. Thank you so much.
ma'am, I don't have paper bag.
I think right now, still my voice.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing too much.
So much because you are
Subscribe.
because you are connected to two devices.
I know where.
Hasira, will you
Ma'am,
mute
someone
yourself?
sang a
Please
song.
mute.
Hello.
ma'am, your voice is still echoing.
I signed out from one.
I think it should be fine now. It is fine.
Is it fine now?
Slightly better, but it's still echoing somehow. I don't know.
I don't know how that. We checked earlier, but it's not. It was not echoing that time.
Sure, ma'am, I think we can start.
Yeah. Now it's okay. Now it's fine.
Perfect now. Yes, it is. And I am making you the host now, so you can have all the controls yourself. Okay.
Okay. So, everyone, good evening. Welcome to Podium Online Classes. Right? We are here to create something new and very, very, very interesting. As all of us love story, and in story, the characters and the story comes alive when we introduce some puppets. You know what are puppets? Puppets are just some small creation like this. Look. Hi, I'm Lion. You know what is my name? My name is Simba. Roar. Ooh. You want to create such beautiful things by your own, and we can create many more things. Like behind me, there are bunny rabbit, pirate, and butterfly, dragonflies. We can create anything. And this is my favorite puppet. And this puppet is Snakey. You know, we can create any puppet, any type of puppet. This is my favorite puppet. It's called Snakey. A puppeteer uses puppets to narrate stories. Yes, we are using like this. Satvik, we can use like this. The snakes. This is a socks puppet. Okay? Yes. And there is one technique you can use by using the puppet. Every puppet can be used by a different technique, not the same technique. As Podium, we are focusing on extracurricular activities, which we are not going to learn through schools, because school is very busy with all the mathematics and science, right? Languages. So we are here to create more fun during activities like craft and art and calligraphy, creative writing, and many more, right? So we are here today to prepare our own personal puppet. And that puppet is a paper bag puppet. For that puppet, we need a paper bag like this. We need a simple paper bag. Okay? Any paper bag will go. Shopping bag, paper bag, and yes, Vanshika, Sachi, Adya, perfect. starts with perfect bag. Okay, any paper bag with this flap. Fold the bag and like this. Fold the bag like this. Okay, and we need only few colorful A4 sheets. Colorful A4 sheets. We are using colorful A4 sheets, and we are using a pair of scissors, CD marker, black CD marker, or any sketch pen, whatever is available. Googly eyes. If someone is not having googly eyes, it's okay. We can make it with a white paper and glue, Fevicol. Okay, and pencil eraser, ruler, nothing else. Okay, let's start. If in the session anyone has any query, you just have to raise your hand. Okay, you are not going to unmute yourself. I am going to unmute yourself, and we can ask questions and we can interact, and I can solve your query. Okay, is it okay? Is it okay? Perfectly okay? Okay, fine. So perfect. So can we wait for 1 more minute? 1 more minute only, because someone is saying they are not having paper bag. Okay, then you can join 2 sheets together. You can join 2 sheets together and make a and in between, if anyone has any query, you can directly mail at hello@podium.school. Okay, and you can write in chat box and the comment box. Okay, in between the session, I will unmute you all if in case anyone has any query. You just have to close the paper bag. Just have to close the paper bag by the edge. Just like this. Okay. Now I'm showing you how to create the magic of a paper bag puppet. For that, I'm using blue color, and just place a blue color chart paper over here in the inner side, just like this. This is the folded side, and the fold is open over this side. So inner side पे आपने ये chart paper लिया, and then you have to make a sides. Just draw a line so we can cut the extra chart paper. Okay, now cut the chart paper. The chart paper should be of your bag size. Cut the extra part. This is a paper bag. This is a paper bag. I am using the paper bag in this direction. जहां से ये flap खुलता है, जहां से ये flap खुलता है, I am using a paper bag in this direction. And now make a cut of a paper that is fixed in this part. Okay, that is fixed in this part. Flap के नीचे. Is it visible? Flap के नीचे पूरा ये पेपर लगाना है. Okay. Now fix it with the Fevicol. Fix this part with the Fevicol. Apply Fevicol, a very thin layer of Fevicol at the edges. Now paste the paper like this. Okay, the flap is like this, overlapping of the flap. Okay, Only one side. Only one side. We are using only one side. For making a puppet, we use only one side of the paper bag. फ्लैप के नीचे पूरा जहां तक है इसको फेविकॉल लगाकर अच्छे से पेस्ट कर दिया. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द बॉडी ऑफ द आउल. ओके, एंड विद दिस flap we are making face of the owl. For that face I am using pink color. Now again, look, I am using light pink color. For this flap, I am using light pink color. Make a mark for the flap size and then cut it. And cut the extra part. Now place this pink size paper over this brown like this. Okay, it will look like this. Everyone please look here, pay attention. It will look like this. Yes, I'm waiting. If your flap is having small size, then don't make the face. We will fix the eyes only. The one who is having a long flap, only then it will, because our hand will go inside and then it will look like this. Okay. The body is blue color and the face is pink color. You can make same color also. If you want, you can make same color also. Blue, you can also make. Pink, you can also make. You can make orange, you can make yellow. Whatever color is available with you, you can use that. Okay. Right now we have done. Yes, light green color is also okay. If someone is not having any flap, Devyanshi, if your bag is not having any flap, then you are not able to move your face. Then you have to make a stick puppet. Like this, you have to move. You have to fix the face over here and then you have to move like this. And the paper bag के अंदर हाथ जब हम डालते हैं तभी वो मूव करता है. ओके, सो लेट्स. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, हमने पेपर बैग में पेपर बैग को फोल्ड किया. फोल्ड करने के बाद नीचे वाले पार्ट में ब्लू कलर का चार्ट पेपर फिक्स किया सेम साइज, एंड देन फ्लैप जहां से खुलता है वहां पर हमने पिंक कलर का पेपर लगाया है. ओके, एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ टू कट ईयर्स. ओके, ईयर्स के लिए हमने क्या किया है, I am using orange color. वेट अ मिनट, अभी तक मैंने आईज का पार्ट नहीं बताया. ओके, यू हैव टू वेट. राइट नाउ I told you how to make body and face. Okay, right now I am showing how to make ears. Orange color strip, make 1.5 inch triangle. 1.5 inch triangle. 2 triangles of 1.5 inch. Two triangles of 1.5 inch. Okay, we need 2 triangles. Okay, and now stick the triangles like this. Be at the back side of the bag. Stick triangles at the back side of the bag. Like this. Stick triangles at the back side of the bag. Okay, anyone has any doubt? किसी को समझ में नहीं आया? कोई डाउट? Yes, Yashri. Yashri, unmute yourself. Hello. Anyone has any doubt? So we made body of the owl, face, and now ears. Okay, let's go forward. Yes. Vividha is okay. Vividha is good. Very good, very pretty. Just cut the string. Cut the string from down. बैक का जो हैंडल है उसको कट कर दो. Yes, Aditya. Adhya, yes.
Yes.
You have any doubt? You have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
Ma'am, I don't have googly eyes.
It's okay. I will show you how to make eyes. Okay? It's okay. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait. Okay. Now we are going forward and I will tell you how to make the nose and feet. Feet of the owl and the nose. Okay? For that we need red color chart paper. For that we need red color chart paper. Okay? For nose, we need one big oval. Oval of approx 2 inches long. 2 inches long oval. Okay? For nose, we need 2 inches long oval. And for feet, we need this. Hello. So, hello. Okay. So we are going to use this. Like we make this like this. We have to make 2 feet, three pattern and one big hump over that. So we cut it and make 2 feet and one nose, oval shaped nose and 2 feet. Two same size of feet. Okay, double the paper and now cut the same size of 2 feet. Okay, so there are 2 feet and one nose. Okay. Now join now fix the owl nose over here in the center of the flap. जहां से ये flap खुलता है वहां पर. Now fix the center of the nose at the center of the flap. जहां से ये flap खुलता है वहां पर. Okay. Now fix the nose over here. And feet at the below. at the below. जहाँ पे पेपर बैग खत्म होते हैं वहां पर. Like this. Okay? Like this, we have to ensure the feet at the below and nose over here. Okay, now we are going to make some wings. 4 wings we are going to make. Everyone, please, is there any doubt? Anyone has any doubt till now? Yes, Soni. Yes, yes, Soni, you can ask. Soni, you can mute yourself. You can unmute yourself. Yes, Soni. Soni, you have to unmute yourself. No, my picture is not hanged. We have to create like this, okay? Now we are going to make wings. Yes, it's perfect. Now you have to make feet also. Soni, you have to make feet also. For feet, you have to make flower shape down and a big hump over it. Okay, now we are using yellow and orange color for wings. Yellow and orange color for wings. I'm using yellow and orange color for wings. Yes, Vividha, it's looking beautiful. Yes, Virudhi. Perfect. Anirudh, perfect. Yes, yes. Perfect. Yashvi, perfect. Okay, for wings. Harish, perfect. For wings, I am using orange and yellow color. Okay, we are going to draw one wing and then we have to cut 4 wings of the same size. Krushi, you have to raise your hand because I'm not able to see you. You have to raise your hand once so I can unmute you. Yes, Hanu.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, for legs we have to cut.
Sorry?
Ma'am?
What we have to do?
Ma'am, what should we have to cut for leg, ma'am?
For feet, we need to cut red color. Petal, नीचे 3 petal बनाकर ऊपर उसके एक hump लगाओ and then make like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. And can I cut for leg yellow?
You can cut, but red is looking nice. That's why.
Okay,
Red
ma'am.
will look nice. Yes, Ashvi. Avshi.
I am Abhishek. Ma'am, my doubt is that this I have a bit big, so can I cut it like this first and then do?
Why you want to cut? It's okay.
And ma'am, my chart paper is not that much big.
Okay, your chart paper is not that long.
So ma'am, can I make it in pieces and join? Because
Yes, you can. You can. You can use multicolor also.
ma'am, and ma'am, one last doubt was mine that you said that how much long is this feet to be made?
Feet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, feet should be 2 inches or 2.5 inches. For your bag, it will be 3 inches because your bag is big.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start with the wings. For wings, we have 5 inches slanting line. Make 5 inches slanting line at the edge of the paper. Make 5 inches slanting line like this. Look, I'm showing you 5 inches slanting line over here. Then mark over 1 inch and 3 inch. Okay, 5 inches slanting line, mark over 1 inch and 3 inch. At 1 inch, mark over 2 inches. 1 inch को मिडल में रखकर 0 and 2 पे डॉट लगाओ. 1 इंच को मिडल में रखकर 0 and 2 पे डॉट. ओके, 5 inches slanted line, mark over 1 inch and 3 inch. जहां 1 इंच पे डॉट लगाया था वहां पर 1 इंच को सेंटर में रखकर 0 and 2 पे डॉट लगाओ. एंड नाउ जहां पे 3 इंच रखा था वहां पर अगेन 0 and 2 पे डॉट. ओके, नाउ लुक, एक साइड पर ऐसे डॉट्स को कवर करते हुए वी हैव टू मेक लाइक अ मैंगो शेप. वन साइड पे ऐसे मैंगो शेप बनाना है, एस बनाना है, नीचे से हल्का सा कर्व करके एस बनाना है लाइक दिस. मैंगो एस. अपर साइड इज बिग एंड लोअर साइड इज वेरी स्मॉल. Other side, we have to make bumps. 1, 2, and 3. एक साइड पर 3 बम्प्स बनाने हैं और दूसरी साइड पर बिग कर्व बनाकर उसको अंदर की तरफ लेके जाकर एस बनाना है. ओके, लाइक दिस. कैन यू एवरीवन प्लीज शो मी योर थम्स अप. बेटा ब्लैक के ऊपर नजर नहीं आ रहा इतना अच्छा क्लियर. हरीश, it's looking nice but it's not that clear. It's looking nice. Can everyone please show me your thumbs up? Is it clear? Okay, now we have to cut 4 wings. We have to cut 4 wings. 2 wings of yellow color, 2 wings of green color. So fold the paper and cut. Fold the paper and cut. Okay, it will look like this. The wings will look like this. Yes, Avishi.
Much longer in this way?
Sorry?
Ma'am, how much long in the horizontal way?
For normal bag, for normal paper bag, I use 5 inches. 5 inches slanting line.
Now, after slanting line, you said that line, so that much
2
long.
inch. It's almost 2 inch wide. It is 2 inch wide. The wing is 2 inch wide. Okay, now we have to make 4 wings. 2 wings of yellow and 2 wings of orange. Okay, so our wings are ready. Our 4 wings are ready. So here's our owl. Now we are going to fix the wings over the owl. So we are using overlapping of wings. Like this we are using. Okay, we are using like this and we fix it under the flap. ये जो flap यहाँ पे खुलता है ना, यहाँ पे side में corner में यहाँ पे चिपकाने का. Like this. Okay, fix it. Fix both the flaps. Both the wings under the flap. Flaps को खोलकर पीछे अंदर की तरफ लगा के. Like this. Same like over here. And now fix the flaps over here. Okay, now if someone is not having, yes, Sony, make the wings also. If someone is not having googly eyes, then you can easily cut the white paper round shape, circle, फेविकॉल की बैक साइड का ढक्कन है ना, बैक साइड को कट करके उससे आप आईज बना सकते हैं व्हाइट कलर का पेपर यूज करके. व्हाइट कलर का पेपर यूज करिए एंड देन मेक अ ब्लैक इनसाइड. Now with CD marker we use and create some pattern over the wings like this, WW. And in the body also. On body also we create like this. Okay, our owl puppet is almost ready, but we have to name them. So who is going to tell me the very interesting name for my two very beautiful puppets? These are my two very beautiful. These are best friends. Look how they are looking. They are looking interesting. So, anyone has any doubt? Yes. Yes, Anu.
Can we name them Lily?
Lily?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, nice name. But you have to create, imagine something more creative, more fascinating. आपके अपने प्यारे puppet.
Okay, ma'am.
Twinkle, twinkle. So let's make a interesting way. Type the name, interesting name into the chat box or the comment box. Let's see. So what will be my puppet name? Let's see. Parrot? No. Twinkle? Very good. Yes, Ashmi, you have doubt? Avshi, you have doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It also was written that we need a CD.
CD?
Yes, ma'am.
No, we are not doing any CD puppet today. We are just doing paper bag puppet.
Yes, ma'am, but it was written that black CD marker.
CD marker. This is called CD marker.
Yes, ma'am, I have this.
Yeah, you can use any CD marker. You can use any sketch pen. We are just going to create some
Ma'am, I have
design over here, over the wings, over the body. So it will look like a furry effect.
Ma'am, how have you pasted that yellow and red one also?
We have to overlap it. It is a overlapping. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a name also.
Sorry.
Ma'am, I have a name also.
Well, you have a name also. Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, Twinkly.
Twinkle. Very nice.
Ma'am, I was saying Twinkly.
Twinkly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good, good. So, Dippy. Wow, nice name. Chiku, Dippy, Piku, Auli. Very nice. Chalo, you have to post your puppet pic over Instagram and Facebook by hashtag podium classes. Okay? आप अपनी प्यारी सी फोटो एक प्यारी सी पपेट के साथ क्लिक करके फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पे डालो, उस पे हैशटैग जरूर करो पोडियम क्लासेस एंड there are so many super teachers who will teach you every day at 5 o'clock. Tomorrow there will be Priyal teacher for Spanish classes. Join us and share your experience. Okay, join everyone and share your experience. Tomorrow will be Spanish. And please post your pics with the puppet and your experience and hashtag podium classes. Right? I hope all of you enjoy the class and please show me your puppets first, fast. Please show me your puppets. I want to click photograph also. Who are going to show me your puppets? Show me everyone with the puppet fast. Switch on your videos and show me your puppet. Fast, show me your puppets. Very nice, Sanvi, very beautiful. Wow. Mud, right? Mud, can you please unmute yourself and tell me, how do you like the class? Mud, how do you like the class?
My name is Maid.
Maid, okay, sorry. Yeah, Maid, tell me, how do you like the class?
I love it. I love it.
You love it? You love your owl?
Yes.
So tell me, what is your owl's name?
Furry.
Sorry? Sorry. Furry. You know, owl has a big eyes. Big wide eyes. The owl has big wide eyes.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, very good. So create one story and post your pics on Instagram and Facebook. Your owl is looking very pretty.
Yes.
Very good. So who else is there? Kruti, can you please raise your hand? I'm not able to see you. Kruti, can you please raise your hand? Yes. Yes, Kruti, 1 minute. I think, yes. Yes, Kruti.
Ma'am, I have a name for the owl.
Yeah, tell me.
Snoozy.
Snoozy. Can you please show me your owl also?
Ma'am, I don't have a paper bag and I didn't make that.
Okay,
Owl.
okay. And what this Snoozy means?
I don't know the meaning, but I kept the name for my toy.
Wow, it's pretty. I just want to know because it's a very interesting name. That's why.
Ma'am, you showed the snake, no, ma'am?
Yeah, I saw snake also. That snake is made of socks puppet. In coming future workshops, I will teach.
I have a sock and I am making a unicorn with it.
Very nice. So beautiful, Manasvi. Manasvi, your owl is also very interesting, very beautiful.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Suruchi?
how did you keep that mouth, like the mouth, ma'am, inside the sock?
We cut the socks and we make them out.
No, ma'am, you cut the tongue. How did you keep the tongue?
I will teach you. Just I will teach you in next class. Right now, Manasvi is there. Na? I will teach you. Just post your query. I will answer it. Okay. Yeah, Manasvi, how are you? So there is one more girl is there with a beautiful owl.
It is green.
Manasvi, you can unmute yourself.
কি এটা? এটা চেঞ্জ করব?
না এটা যদি কাটা আছে যখন
Manasvi, you can. Yeah, Manasvi.
Manasvi. Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
this is Ariana.
Yes, Ariana, tell me.
I finished the owl.
You finished the owl. Can you please show me your owl?
You can watch Sony.
Yes. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Just click your photograph and you are looking also very beautiful. Very pretty. Just click your photograph and post it.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
You like this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So everyone enjoy. Stay tuned with podium classes, online classes, and very good. Wow, beautiful, Harish. Very beautiful. Anirudh is beautiful. Just, oh, I didn't tell you how to use this puppet also. Wait, just wear this puppet like this and now flap it like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, it's time to go and have your milk. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, it's time to say goodbye, dear. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, it's time to say goodbye, dear. Hello, everyone enjoyed? So I am going to unmute everyone so everyone can say whatever they want. Who have doubt? Who have doubt? Who have queries regarding this? Yes, Avishi.
I had this doubt that, ma'am, in this you made us know that how to make this owl puppet, but I had one doubt that is the flap of that book is like this only, this one flap.
Yes, yes, this one only.
Ma'am, I have not yet completed it, so ma'am,
It's okay. You can complete it and post it. Okay, you know how to make it now? Just look how beautiful it is.
Ma'am, see, is it to be done like this after it makes?
Yes, it will look like this only. When you create it, it will look
I'm
like this
saying
only.
that the flap, I mean the mouth will be used like this.
Yes, we just have to move a little bit, not that far. We just have to move like this. Okay? Hope everyone enjoyed. Yes, show me a thumbs up. Satvika, your owl is looking very beautiful. You want to say something?
Yes.
Satvika, you want to say something? Tanishk, I'm showing my owl. This is my owl. I created 2 owls. Okay? So everyone enjoy. Everyone can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I'm Hanushri, ma'am.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm Hanushri, ma'am.
Yes, Hanushri, bolo.
Ma'am, is it nice? His name
Yes,
is.
it's nice. It's nice. It's nice.
His name is Lee, ma'am.
So everyone can everyone can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, this is the unicorn which I made, ma'am.
Yes, beautiful. Who has doubt?
I have a doubt.
My puppet. Bye, ma'am.
Who has a doubt? Please show me your raise your hand. Yes, Nanya.
Ma'am, how to make the wings?
How to make the wing? We have to cut the wings. Paper पे. Paper पे ऐसे wings. How to? You have to make a slanting line of 5 inches and then make a 3 bumps on one side and 1 bump on the other side.
Can you please repeat?
For that, you need to take a paper, and after taking the paper, you have to create 3 bumps on one side. Look like this. You have to create 3 bumps on one side and 1 big bump with the tail. Like this, you have to create wings.
Ma'am, how is this?
Okay? And then you have to cut
Ma'am.
4 wings.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Anyone has any doubt?
Ma'am.
Ask me.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, this is my Nagraj.
This.
Ma'am, this is my Nagraj. Ma'am,
Yes. Who is
this is
calling?
my Nagraj.
Yes, Nagraj. Tell me. Wow. Oh, beautiful.
Snowy.
Ma'am, look at my Nagraj.
Yeah, I saw
Ma'am.
your snake.
Ma'am,
Bharat,
made it,
I
but
saw your snake.
How was it?
It's very beautiful. You have to hold it like this. Not like this, like this.
ma'am, I have made
Like this.
it, but I have named it.
Your wrist should be upper and your hand should be over the wrist like this. Show me like this.
Ma'am, how is this picture?
Look, I will show you how with mine.
How is it?
Bola, ma'am, how is this?
How is it?
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Manju, right?
Ma'am.
It's beautiful. Beautiful. Like this, you have to show.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
The face should be yes. Yes, Varan. The face should be clear and the eye should be at the eye contact with the person with whom you are talking. You are not supposed to show your face and you are not mouth. Just show your eyes to the audience. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I love podium classes.
Thank you. Just
Ma'am, I
post
also
your pics with your puppet. Okay? So,
Okay, ma'am.
so everyone, now it's time for leaving right now. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
से बोल के दिखाओ ना वो पेन से मैम पेन से बोल के दिखाओ ना मैम पेट से बोल के दिखाओ ना
Podium classes. Okay.
मैम पेट से बोल के दिखाओ ना
Sorry.
पेट से बोल के दिखाओ ना
क्या फिर से बोलकर?
पेट से बोलकर
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
मैम बोल के दिखाओ ना
Yes, Anu.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Anu. This is the last doubt. Okay. Tell me.
Can I take my owl speak sharper?
Sorry.
Ma'am, it's like a cloud, ma'am.
Anu, your voice is cracking.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anu.
ma'am, can I take my owl speak sharper?
No, our beak should be like this only. It not have sharper beak.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, bye. Good night.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Good night,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good night.
Good evening. Bye.
Good evening, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, Manasvi.
Good night, ma'am. Bye.
Good night.
ma'am. Good night, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, good night, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Ma'am, how is my owl?
Diwali is beautiful, but you have to make sure the owl should look like this, not like this.
Not like this.
Wait, I will show you. Your owl should be like this, standing position. Rest your elbow over the flat surface and now start. Yes.
Ma'am, I know how to make it.
Yes. Mikisha. Yes, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful.
Ma'am, I have not still made, so I will not show you. I will. Mama, I'm making still.
Ma'am, I can't make it friend.
Why?
Ma'am, because it takes, a lot of paper. When I have once again time, then I'll start making it.
Okay, no problem. Next time you make.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Ma'am, I cannot make the friends because
Ma'am, there was a small doubt.
Ma'am, I'm just making.
Now, this is the last doubt. After that, I'm going to close it because it's time for other classes also, right?
Ma'am, so
Yeah.
can I just near her eyebrows, eyelashes, can I keep a flower?
Yes, you can. You can stick. You can stick eyebrow eyelashes.
ma'am,
Keep a flower.
Flower. If that flower goes with your story only then.
ma'am, ma'am,
Okay.
it
So
was
bye. Take it.
flower also was
Podium classes. Bye.
Ma'am, I know cute eyes.
Podima class. Ma'am, I
Bye.
the other Podima class.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye.
Ma'am, in the other Podima class, I made this flower.
Yes. I saw.
Ma'am, first in the class, I made the small one and then
Very beautiful. Chalo. Bye bye. See you. See you all. See you all tomorrow. Okay. In next class, we will learn something new.
Yes, ma'am. Bye. You said that tomorrow will be a Spanish class.
Yes, tomorrow will be the Spanish class.
Okay, ma'am. but I don't know even a little bit of Spanish.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.